At Ready Aim Teach, we offer collaboration, workshops, professional development, and coaching. We custom design each one of these sessions to meet your district or your school's needs. We meet with administrators ahead of time so that we can be laser-like focused and make sure we're tailoring each activity to exactly what you need. So you can choose from a program that we already have, or we're very happy to build something so that it meets specifically what you're looking for. We want to make sure we're hitting the mark for your teachers, which means we're hitting the mark for your students. We know you have a lot of options out there for professional development, but this is what I know in my heart. At Ready Aim Teach, we change teachers' lives. We'll often have teachers come up to us at the end of a workshop or a training session, and sometimes they're in tears because they say they have felt the change in themselves. They feel empowered to go back to school and make a difference for students. They're ready to do something they hadn't done before, try something they didn't feel confident in trying before, or reach a student that they hadn't been able to reach before. That's exactly why we do what we do. And that's the difference when you work with Ready Aim Teach. I invite you to look through our website and reach out with any questions or ideas that you have. I look forward to connecting soon and partnering together to make a difference for every student in your care.